Welcome the our channel. Today we how to optimize remote workflows with Notion, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin optimizing your remote workflows with Notion, start by creating a dedicated workspace. Organize your workspace by setting up different pages for various projects or teams. Use the template feature to streamline the creation of new project pages. Incorporate databases to track tasks, deadlines, and team responsibilities effectively. Set up a task management system using Kanban boards or calendars within Notion. Assign tasks to team members by tagging them in comments or tasks. Utilize the sharing options to ensure all team members have access to necessary documents and pages. Integrate reminders and due dates to keep everyone on track with their responsibilities. Regularly update your databases to reflect the current status of projects and tasks. Incorporate notes and documentation directly into your project pages for easy reference. Use comments and discussions features to facilitate communication among team members. Explore Notion's integration capabilities with other tools to enhance your workflow further. Consider using the API to automate repetitive tasks or sync data between platforms. Encourage team members to personalize their Notion setup to suit their workflow preferences. Regularly review and refine your Notion setup to adapt to your evolving workflow needs. Foster a culture of feedback to continuously improve your remote working processes. With these steps, you can create an efficient and organized workspace tailored to your team's needs in Notion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.